Hello guys, in today's video we will talk about Apple CarPlay. I'll show you how to use it and we'll also briefly talk about its features with my Xpander 2023 GLS. First, you need a lightning cable for your wired Apple CarPlay. I bought this one from Shopee. This is a spring USB. I really like this one because it's not messy compared to the regular cable that we use. Just plug it into the USB port, connect your iPhone, and that's it. Apple CarPlay is now loading the app that I recently used. Now let us talk about Apple CarPlay's features. To rearrange your apps, just find CarPlay in your phone settings, click smartphone link, display audio, then click customize. To change your wallpaper, just go to settings, click wallpaper, then select your desired design. With Apple CarPlay, you'll enjoy Siri's hands-free command. Hey Siri, send a message to my wife.
What do you want to say to mommy dies?
I love you.
Your message says I love you. Do you want to change it or send it?
Send it. You can also use the voice command to talk to Siri. With Apple CarPlay, you can use your favorite navigation apps like Apple Map, Google Map, and Waze, which I personally use. Aside from Apple Music app, Apple CarPlay also supports Spotify and YouTube Music to ensure drivers have options on where to play their favorite songs while driving. By the way guys, you cannot use video apps like YouTube and Apple CarPlay because Apple wants to help the driver focus on the road and drive safely with lesser distractions. At first, I got disappointed because I had a YouTube app on my Android infotainment before. But I got used to it later on. I realized that I don't need video apps. I only need Siri, music app, and navigation app to enjoy my driving experience. I really love the addition of Apple CarPlay in the new Xpander. Indeed, Apple CarPlay can make your boring infotainment display look premium with its great interface design. Okay guys, that's all about Apple CarPlay. See you in my next video. But wait, subscribe first so you get notified of our next video. Drive safe and God bless.